Hello students, welcome you all once again. In the previous class, we have learned filling up of d orbitals in octahedral complexes in presence of strong ligands. Okay, so there we have learned a formula about how to calculate CFSE, that is crystal field stabilization energy. Number of electrons in T2g orbitals into minus 0.4 delta O plus Eg electrons, that is number of electrons in Eg orbitals into 0.6 delta O. Okay, so do you remember? Practice that table and calculation perfectly, students. Okay. Now, in this class, we will be learning about filling up of d orbitals in octahedral complexes in presence of weak ligands. Okay, so try to understand the difference, that is in presence of strong ligands, this is in presence of weak ligands. Okay, now let us start. I have made the columns like this: number of electrons in d orbital, distribution of electrons, crystal field stabilization energy, that is CFSE, and number of unpaired electrons. Okay students, now to start with the first one, if the number of electrons in d orbital is 1, so it enters into the first T2g orbital and its CFSE, how to calculate? 1 into minus 0.4, it is equal to minus 0.4 delta O units. Okay, so this is what I mentioned here, minus 0.4 delta O, and the number of unpaired electrons is 1. Okay students, next coming to the second point, that is number of electrons in d orbital if it is 2. First electron and second electron. Okay, so calculation of CFSE, number of electrons in T2G2 into minus 0.4, it is equal to minus 0.8 delta O units. Okay, so this is what I have written here. Next, number of unpaired electrons is 2. Clear? Next, coming to the third point, that is number of electrons in d orbital if it is 3. So, first electron, second electron and third electron. Calculation of CFSE. How to calculate? 3 into minus 0.4. How much it is? Minus 1.2 delta O units. Okay. So this is what I have written here. Minus 1.2 delta O units. So how many number of unpaired electrons, students? There are 3 unpaired electrons. So this is 3. Okay. Understood? Next, fourth one. If the number of electrons in d orbital, if it is 4, first electron, second electron, third electron, fourth electron is coming into the Eg orbital. Why? Because this is in the presence of a weak ligand. In the presence of a weak ligand, the electrons cannot be forced to pair up. Okay, so therefore the fourth electron is not pairing up with the electron here in the first T2G. It is entering into the Eg orbital. Okay students, in the presence of strong ligand, we have seen the fourth electron pairing up with the first electron in T2g orbital. But in the case of weak ligands, it is distributed like this. Okay, now calculation of CFSE. Total number of electrons in T2g orbitals, 3. So 3 into minus 0.4 plus number of electrons in Eg orbitals, 1. 1 into 0.6. So 3 into minus 0.4 minus 1.2 plus 1 into 0.6, 0.6 is equal to 0.6 delta O. That's what I have written here, minus 0.6 delta O. Number of unpaired electrons is 4. Next, clear students? If the number of electrons in d orbital, if it is 5, so entry of electrons into T2g and Eg orbitals, first electron, second electron, third, fourth and fifth electron. Okay, calculation of CFSE, number of electrons in T2g, 1, 2 and 3. 3 into minus 0.4 plus total number of electrons in Eg orbitals, 1 and 2. 2 into 0.6. So minus 1.2 plus 1.2 is equal to how much? It gets cancelled away and it becomes 0. So 0 delta O. Number of unpaired electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 unpaired electrons. Okay students, clear? Next, coming to the next point, number of electrons in d orbital. If it is 6. So, how would be the entry of these electrons in T2g and Eg orbitals? First one, second one, third, fourth and fifth one. Now comes the sixth electron into the first T2g orbital. It pairs up with this electron. Okay. Calculation of CFSE. How many electrons are there in T2g? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into minus 0.4 plus how many are there in EG? 1 and 2. 2 into 0.6. It is equal to 4 into 0.4, 1.6. So minus 1.6 plus 2 into 0.6, 1.2. It is equal to how much? 1.6 minus 1.2. It is equal to 0.4, that is minus 0.4 delta O. So that is what I have mentioned here. Okay, next total number of unpaired electrons 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 unpaired electrons. Clear students? Next, coming to the next point, number of electrons in d orbital. If it is 7, first electron, second electron, third, fourth, fifth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Number of electrons in T2g 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here I have done the calculation. 5 into minus 0.4 plus number of electrons in EG 2. So 2 into 0.6 is equal to 5 into 0.4 2. 2 into 0.6 1.2. So minus 2.0 plus 1.2, it is equal to minus 0.8 delta O. That's what I have written here. Minus 0.8 delta O. Total number of unpaired electrons equals to 1, 2 and 3. Okay students, clear? So this is what I have written here. Next, coming to number of electrons in d orbital. If it is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So total number of electrons in T2g 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into minus 0.4 plus 2 into 0.6 is equal to how much? Minus 2.4 plus 1.2 is equal to, so 2.4 minus 1.2 is 1.2, that is minus 1.2 delta O units, which I have mentioned here. Count the total number of unpaired electrons 1 and 2, that's what I have shown here. Okay, so that is 2 unpaired electrons. Clear students? Next, coming to number of electrons in d orbital. If it is 9, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and ninth electron. Okay, so total 9 electrons. How many electrons in T2g? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total number of electrons in EG? 1, 2, 3. Calculation I have shown here students. 6 into minus 0.4 plus 3 into 0.6 is equal to minus 2.4 plus 1.8. It is equal to minus 0.6 delta O units. Okay, so this is what I have written here, minus 0.6 delta O. How many unpaired electrons students? Only one unpaired electron. Clear? Next, coming to number of electrons in d orbital, 10. So entry of these 10 electrons into T2g and EG orbitals. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th electron. Okay, calculation of CFSE, 6 into minus 0.4. Why? Because there are 6 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Plus 4 into 0.6. Why? Because there are 4 electrons in EG orbitals. So total comes to minus 2.4 plus 2.4, which becomes equal to 0.0. So that's what I have written here, 0.0 delta O. And if you calculate or if you count the number of unpaired electrons, it is 0 in this case when number of electrons in d orbital is 10. Okay students, am I clear? So this is all about filling up of d orbitals in octahedral complexes in presence of weak ligands. So make the columns like this: number of electrons in d orbital, distribution of electrons under which you have T2g and Eg orbitals, CFSE, number of unpaired electrons. Students, you remember one thing, learn that formula which I have given you in the previous class, then it will be very easy for you to do all these calculations. Okay, thank you.